Mental toughness. Our mental toughness defines the way we handle challenges. When we are presented with challenges, mental toughness can help us face the challenges head on. Mental toughness is the capacity to persistently pursue goals and remain determined. When you know how to understand and manage your emotions effectively, you can remain calm and focused, especially under pressure. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from setbacks, failure, or disappointments. Confidence in mental toughness is not about arrogance but having a realistic and positive view of your abilities. Self awareness can allow you to navigate challenges with a clear mind, making decisions that align with your values and goals. Motivation can help you stay committed to your goals. Focused mindset help you to handle new situations and environments. Make decisions based on logic rather than emotions. Mentally tough individuals often have healthier relationships. Regular mindfulness practices such as meditation, deep breathing exercises can enhance your focus, reduce stress, and improve emotional regulations. Practice self-compassion. Step out of your comfort zone. Keep a balanced perspective. Practice self-care. Strong, supportive relationships with others can greatly enhance your mental toughness. Set clear goals and pursue them persistently. Cultivate feelings of positivity. Learn from failures. Everyone possesses mental strength to some degree, and we all have the ability to become stronger, to improve mentally, relax, and reduce stress. Spend time in nature, improve your sleep, take a break, try short meditation, stay active, remove potential distractions from your environment when working on tasks to help build stamina. Boost your immunity with healthy food. No one can achieve success without failure, or it's a part of life. Doing crossword puzzles are great ways to increase brain power. Meditation is one of the best ways to train your mind. Mental strength involves developing daily habits that build mental muscle. It also involves giving up bad habits that hold you back. We love being mentally strong, but we hate situations. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Nothing can dim the light which shines from within. Taking care of your mental health is an act of self love. Life isn't as serious as the mind makes it out to be. Mental health matters. Let's shatter the silence. Strong mind, strong world. Heal your mind, shine your light. Together for mental health. Together for all. Thank you for joining us on Ahem Quotes. Please like, share, subscribe Ahem Quotes. Until then, stay motivated, stay amazing.